Yeah, welcome back to Babai Tech. So, in the previous session, we are done with setting our main stack environment in locally, right? So, today we are going to with a Node.js brief intro and how Node.js work. Okay, so to going before going to that, so I'm not going to waste your time. So by telling more about technical, like more about theory. So I'll just directly go with a practical example so that you will get understand a very easy way. Okay, so for that you you follow me. Okay, yeah. So for that you create one folder. Okay, so that is I just took like mean stack demo in that. So our Node.js is a backend server platform, right? So in that you create a folder called backend. Okay, getting? So in this backend you write our Node.js programs. Okay, so for we just go with hello world program. Okay, so before going to the hello world program, we just go with a little bit about Node.js. Okay, so what is Node.js? Here Node.js is a JavaScript runtime. It's a JavaScript runtime. Okay, so just for example, you treat this as a one thing. I think Node.js is a C++ program that runs this Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. So this Node.js provides a environment for running JavaScript outside the browser. Basically, the JavaScript only runs in the browser, right? So the browsers have the engines like V8 engine and so Spider Monkey is Mozilla's Firefox JavaScript engine. So it was written in C. In the same as Node.js. Uses Chrome's V8 engine, and we have another one Chakra. So that is not required. That is Microsoft's JavaScript engine. So basically, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment, like which runs outside the browser. So if it is running outside the browser as a program, we can run this as is a server. So Node.js basic example. So and that's it, and we will go with we'll go with features in the later sessions while we are going with the examples. Okay, so for now we'll create a basic hello world program. Okay, so for that we are just create an hello world program, right? So the first thing you need to do while doing with Node.js application is, so you need to check did Node.js was installed or not. You need, right, we need to check, right? So for that open command prompt in a respective folder where you are doing your Node.js application. I'm doing in the hello world, right? In just you type cmd in this this to open command prompt. Okay, cmd. So check for the version. Okay, no, sorry, hyphen version. Okay, so we are running the latest version, so the 8.11.3. okay, so we just install, right? So and you need to check one more thing, like npm. I will tell what is npm, what's its importance. Okay, so that's very important, I'll tell. Okay, so you check with npm hyphen v. So the version of npm is 5.6.0. okay, it's fine. So we have our Node.js installed in our machine. So let's go and start our first Node.js hello world application. So for that I am cleaning this command prompt. Okay, so you just, so I'll zoom this, I'll increase the font. Okay, so we are done, right? Yeah, yeah. The first thing is you need to initialize the npm package manager. So npm means node package manager. So the basically the use of npm is, so node uses it as a package manager. The third party modules, all packages are present in the npm. I'll show that, okay, don't worry about that. So it's a package manager for the javascript, okay. So we'll see. So see this. So we install and share and distribute code and manage dependencies in our project, okay. So we need to install any, if you want to need to install any third party packages or any other things, like you need to share the things, so we use npm, okay. So this is the package manager for our node.js, okay. So it consists of all the packages, third party packages for node.js, okay. So I will explain how to install packages, okay. Don't worry all those things, we'll just, for now we'll just go with a basic hello world example, okay. Yeah, we already have a command prompt, right? Yeah. So the first command we need to type here is npm init. So we are initializing our node package manager. So it will create one file. That file name is package.json. So that package.json is responsible for us, saving our dependencies in the project, and what description about the project, everything is stored in that package.json. So while you are deploying your project to the cloud, so this package.json is very important. The cloud checks for this package.json file. So and it will automatically install all those packages in the cloud by using this package.json. So when you click npm init, so we are going to prompt, like some, sorry, not prompt, it is going to tell, so package name is hello world. Yes, if you want to change you can change also, so I'm just leaving as it is. So the version of your application is 1. If you want you can change here. So description about your project, so Babai Tech hello world, sorry, mean stack hello world demo, okay. So our project description is Babai Tech main stack hello world demo. So entry point, so this is like where to start your application. So I'm starting my application with index.js or server.js or app.js, your wish, okay, that's fine. I'm just going with index.js. So the commands, you no need of all these things for now. So if you have any git link, we'll go with what is git in the later sessions. So git is something like version control. If you create any repository for this project, you can link that with this by giving your repository here, okay. And the keywords like mean stack and node.js, like, okay, we'll just leave it as it is. We'll no need of all the things. Author is Babai Tech. So license GPL 3, okay. So I just written some wrong, GPL hyphen v3 you need to use, that's why it is getting, okay, that's not a problem. So you just press S. So if you're not interested in creating all those things, you just type npm init hyphen yes hyphen s, okay. It will creates without your intention, okay, getting, that's it. So we are done with initializing our node.js application. So now I already told you to install one text editor, right? So I told you to create, install Visual Studio Code or you can, or your wish. So for now I'm going with only just Notepad. So I'm just creating index.js file. So it is telling to me create something. Okay, so okay, fine. So I'm creating just hello world. Okay, you know about var, right? So var is for creating variables. Okay, so I'm just creating variable something like babai. So babai equal to YouTube channel. Okay, so we have written this is javascript code, right? So we need to run this code. Okay, hello world YouTube channel. So I'm just writing phrasing thing, hello world to YouTube channel. No, it's not. It doesn't make any sense. So hello world, it's good. Okay, we'll just remove this thing. Okay, okay, how do we run this thing? Actually, previously we used to run in this way, right? Getting? So we just defined a variable bar. So this is our javascript runtime environment. Okay, see, we just created var babai, right? So it is getting the previous thing. We'll just go with babai. So we have baba, right? So we just declare. So this is, we are running this in only in browser. So if you want to run this outside the browser, we came with Node.js, right? So to run this Node.js, this is the command node space file name. So we are getting right hello world. So that's a basic hello world example. So we'll go with next with creating server. Okay, we are done, right? We don't have any doubts, right? Yeah, this is just a simple example, hello world example. So we'll next go with simple server creation with Node.js. Okay, this outside the browser, we came with Node.js, right? So to run this Node.js, this is the command node space file name. So we are getting right hello world. So that's a basic hello world example. So we'll go with next with creating server. Okay, we are done, right? We don't have any doubts, right? Yeah, this is just a simple example, hello world example. So we'll next go with simple server creation with Node.js. Okay,